Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? This is Sadekur Rahman. Today I'm come here to make a different kind of video, and this is all for the purpose of practice English. Today I will unbox a box, and which box is given by my father to me as a gift. My father went to select to join a picnic, and he bring it for me. So let's open this box and see what's inside this box. So here it is. Oh, this is a chocolate box. So let's open this box and see what inside the box. At first I have to cut this paper, then it will open. So I'm seeing the name Camco Loreto. This is maybe the name of the chocolate, and it's made with coconut. Okay, so let's open this box, see what's inside this box. At first, give me a little bit time. I have to open it properly, or I'll not be able to open this box. Okay, see. Oh, wow, wonderful. You see, it's very delicious. So let's check it. How is it? Oh, there it is. It's look like the dome, masjid dome. In Bengali language we say it gombuj, like a gombuj. So test it. Very crispy. Not crispy, it's very sweet, full of chocolate. So this is my first unboxing video, and let's comment in the comment box that how is the video. And this is all the purpose of my English practice. We will upload different kinds of English video, then you can practice with me as a different kind of subject. It will help you to improve your English speaking practice. So this is for today. See you my next video. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and stay with me. This is for today. Khuda Hafiz.